Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer. So we've got three options, and the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick this one, so simply tap on the option like to use. The icon will change slightly, so you can always check which timer option you've got applied, and then simply tap on the shutter button. From now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, you can always remove it, turn off the timer. Just tap on off option, and I've accidentally tapped on 3. The icon should be crossed out, and here from this moment your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.